Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can insert the SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Of course, in order to do that, we will need to use the pin that is included inside the box. Now, on the left side over here, in this side, we have the SIM tray, and we need to use the pin. We need to put the pin inside this hole over here. So let me do that first. There we go. And once you are in, you want to push just a little bit until the SIM tray comes out just slightly, and then use your fingers in order to take it out completely. Now over here we have the top side. We can read that over here. Let me try to get the focus. Nevertheless, still on this side here we can read top. There we go. So we know that this is the front side. We need to put it back in this side, and we need to reverse the SIM tray in order to place the SIM card in. There we go. This is how it should look like. And there we go. Now once the SIM card is inserted, we need to of course match the shape. Then we reverse the SIM tray back and put it back into the device. You might need to push it just a little bit with your fingers so that it goes in fully. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.